Hello everyone. In this lecture, I will discuss about another type of machine learning, that is unsupervised machine learning. In unsupervised learning, the computer is given data without any labels or answers. It tries to find patterns or structures in the data on its own. So here basically the machine learning uses the algorithm to find the data with respect to the patterns or structures. So how it works? The computer groups similar data together or reduces complex data into simpler forms without knowing what the final answer should be. Here we have example. If you have give the computer a collection of photos without telling is what's in them, it might group similar photos together based on visual features, like grouping all natural photos or nature photos or all urban photos. Here we have another example which will help you to understand unsupervised machine learning. Suppose you have images or data about cats and dogs, but you do not have any labels identifying which animal is a dog or a cat. So this is what you can see in this picture. First you can see we have the raw data, that is the input to your computer, and there is no label. Now using the unsupervised machine learning, you can still try to group similar images together based on observable features. So how it works? So you gather some information about each animal, like ear shape, pointed or rounded, body size, small, medium or large, tail length, short, medium or long, face shape, round or angular, sound, whether it meows or barks. So this is the information that you need to provide to your system. Now after that, machine learning uses the algorithms to find out or to make the cluster of same type of data. You then use a clustering algorithm like k-means. So k-means is an algorithm that is going to be used by your machine learning to look at this information and group animals based on similar traits. So it is going to create two groups. Group number one, animals with pointed ears, smaller body sizes, round faces and the sound meow. This group likely contains mostly cats. It is also going to create another cluster or group, that is group number two, animals with rounded ears, larger body size, angular faces and the sound bark. This group likely contains mostly dogs. So final result, you can see group 1 animals with cat-like features, group 2 animals with dog-like features. Even though the algorithm didn't know which photos were cats or dogs, it used the features to separate them into groups based on their shared traits. This is how unprivileged learning can help you identify groups without any labeled data. So here the grouping of cats and dogs by look is done by machine learning. And who is going to provide the information to the system, like ear shape, body size, tail length, face shape, etc. We as a human is going to provide this information to the algorithm. So I hope you got some idea about the unprivileged machine learning. So that's all. We'll see you in the next lecture.